This is the 2022 Lucid Air Dream, and it sets a new EV range record. The Air Dream range is the first electric vehicle to crack the 500-mile mark in Edmunds testing. Oh, that's almost enough for me to take a peek.
This is crazy.
I might have to take a peek.
Yeah.
500-mile is such a crazy number.
And I believe this is like city driving.
Wow.
The 2022 Lucid Air Dream range with 19-inch wheels covered 505 miles in Edmunds' real-world EV range test, besting the previous record by a whopping 83 miles. Ooh. Even with 933 horsepower at its disposal, the Air Dream range is among the most efficient luxury EVs on the market. The Air Dream range was unable to match its EPA estimate of 520, and it fell slightly short of EPA consumption. Well, that's a real-world testing versus optimal. Mm-hmm. There's not a cheap vehicle coming in at $170,000.
Yeah.
But look at this.
You're going to pay for that range.
Uh-huh. And the look, apparently.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I mean, that's definitely part of it. And it's tough. It's tough. If I'm going to give you 170 and you're a company that has a proven track record, like you've been around for a little while, wow, that's one thing. Mm-hmm. If you're an EV startup, it's a bit tougher. I guess you could say the same about Rivian, but it's just there's a lot that goes into car ownership. Hey, man, I'm all for it. I'm all for more players in this space. It's only better for the customer.
I agree.
But there is something about knowing that at least Tesla's been doing it for a while, or even when I got the Taycan, that, okay, Porsche's been making cars for forever.
Right.
Doesn't necessarily make them experts in EVs.
No. But they have some sort of a track record.
Yeah. So.
But man, this range. What is this in kilometers? Is it cracking 800?
Yeah, it's almost 1,000.
You think it's 1,000? Is it? I don't know. What is the?
I think it's. I don't know the conversion. I think it's more or almost. Okay.
So
836 kilometers.
This is crazy.
Yeah, man. That's like my truck.
Wow.
It's around there. My truck's probably a little worse.
Range anxiety is.
It's over.
It's over for this car.
Yeah, it's up there with the higher end range on a gas vehicle.
Yeah. Wow.
So anyway, it was a very specific test car that they had. I know Mercedes is aiming at this record as well.
Yeah. With the EQS.
That's right.
Yeah.
The certain model of the EQS.
Yeah.
Because there's going to be a few. Yeah, there it is. EQS 450 Plus. Oh, here, let's just get some comparisons. Okay, so the Air weighed in at 5,232 pounds, 400 pounds heavier than the Model S Plaid, but more than 250 pounds lighter than the EQS 450 Plus. Okay. It's interesting. Theirs is not really a hatchback either. It's a real trunk on it, right? Am I right about that, or is that just deceiving design?
No, you're right.
Yeah.
Well,
that's tough. I guess it probably, who knows? It's cool looking.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very compelling, the range stuff. If you're into the road trips and whatnot, you got to be paying attention here for sure. Definitely.
Mm-hmm.